Uh, Talking about the business side of the film industry. So not only actor, you're a director as well as producer. First of all, what do you enjoy the most out of these three roles?
For me, I like to produce. Uh,
And if I combine this movie industry as business, so for example, I have a huge network of people, investors, people who want to again not only they have money, but they want some positive impact as well. So movie में अगर वो आना चाहते हैं, वो produce करना चाहते हैं, invest करना चाहते हैं, what sort of business is this? Like I know there could be hit, you can make 1,000 crores, and you can lose all the money as well. But are there any tips? Like if people want to, if for example I want to collaborate with you, and let's do a truly international project where Hollywood meets Bollywood, and we come up with something with the experts. Uh, how can we do that? Is the movie industry open
See,
enough?
I genuinely believe in every business that you do, your intent should be pure,
Hmm.
and especially in our industry where it's basically it's entertainment. So sometimes when the critics take it very seriously, uh, I say the more stupider, the better, because it takes you out of your real world into a fantasy land, and you just want to sit and you want to enjoy those 3 hours of a world that it's not your world, it's not your real world. So sometimes when the critics say it's not, it's too good to be true, or it's unreal, but that's what it's supposed to be. It's and as a business, uh, it is something where you just like any other business, you must be sincere.